I'm here to try a build your own hot pot place in Flushing, New York. This is a Show Mini hot pot. Dude, this is perfect for the cold weather. Since this place is DIY, what you do is get a plate, pick as much food as you want, and this includes skewers too. After that, choose your broth, and I got the beef bone golden broth. Also, do not forget to pick your sauces, because they add so much flavor to each bite. You also can't forget about the skewers. Yo, look at the whole squid. It is all seasoned pretty well. I also love these glass looking noodles.